Planner Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here to plan with you January 13th through the 19th. I have my tweezers, my pen, my washi, and my stickers. And we're going to start with the washi first. This is the washes that I have. This is going to be the outside lines here and the bottom. And these are going to be the lines here. Okay. So we're going to start with the washi. And I got my washi cutter, or trimmer, washi trimmer, as I call it. And I'm trying to keep it as straight as I can. There we go. Trim that little piece there. And then trim right up here. And then do the other side. Oops. So, I hope you all had a good weekend. I hope y'all staying warm. I hope you're having a good time. Okay, now we're going to start with the small one. I'm going to do the top lines with it also. And I have a hard time all the time finding my edges. There's one reason why I fold over the edge. I always fold over my edges. Put this one here. Then I'm going to go every other with this one. Oops. I need to get me some of the thin washi that'll fit perfect on these lines. So I went every other. Okay, with that one. Now with this one, we're going to do the same thing. And this is one of the last two washes I haven't used yet. So here we go. And try to leave it fall where it wants, or as straight as you can get it, so you're not pulling your papers up, your pages up. just like that. I know we all plan different. We all have different ways that we plan, and this is just the way that I do it. And my planner stickers are from the Dollar Tree, so, and I like them because they have almost the same thing that I would look for in other planner packets. Makes no difference to me. So now I'm going to start with my stickers. So I need my tweezers and my planner stickers and my dates of appointments and everything. Oh, this is February 13th through the... No, it's January. I got it right. It's January. Yeah. So now I need to find my regular page, my monthly, not the weekly, the monthly, so I know where to put my appointments and stuff. So we have an appointment on the 13th, and my appointment stickers are the little flag stickers, like right here. Okay. That's one. And that's the only one I have that week. Nope, I have one on the 17th. So we're going to pull another one off. And we're going to go to the 17th. Sorry about that. We have an appointment here. And I fill in all my information afterwards. Okay, those are 2 appointments. Now on Fridays I usually do grocery shopping. So we're going to put shopping here, if I can. And then we have Family Day. Family Fun Day is on Sundays, so I gotta find the one that says Family. It's also Relax Day, so I'm gonna put Relax on there too. See? My dinner, my relax. I need yay for Friday. Friday, yay! I'm going to put it right next to Friday. And we're going to put, oh, not that one. This one here. Then we're going to pull up the relax sticker. Put that here. And I'm looking for one that says family. I also found one that says Hello Weekend. And on the back of these pages, the reason I put them only printed only on the front, is because I want to make a list for Don't Forget and for Write It Down. And this will be like my things to do. Okay, because I don't have a things to do sticker, so I'll put that one. If I find one, I'll replace it. Okay, we got the weekend, we got the relax. And let's see, let's go back. On Tuesdays, I usually let's see, I do my goals on Saturday. So I seen a gold sticker. Gold dig it. Not gold, not like gold. It's a gold digger. Dig it. I usually do that on Saturdays. See what I want to do for the week. I do my to-do list and all of that. Let me see. Where's the laundry one? Is what I don't see. Yep, I want my tweezers. I don't see a laundry sticker. I have to look for some or make some. One of the two. Oh, here we go. That's not the planner, the one I wanted. But this one says family dinner. I know my tweezers fell, but where did they go? Oh well. I thought I had another pair, but I don't. There we go. I got one. Here we go. Do family dinner here. I'm going to move over the relax sticker a bit. Put it back right there. Okay. Now, okay. Now, let's see. I have that one. Tuesdays. They don't have one for videos either, but we can do this. I can write that on the back of my paper. Okay. I'm going to take this little envelope here. Put it on Tuesday. I think it's Tuesdays. Nope, I got it wrong. Wednesdays. Lucky I'm looking back at my paper. Now we're going to put a big gigantic E on here for email. There. Lucky I looked back at my thing, huh? And then we have a to-do. Sorry about the sniffling. I think I'm coming down with a cold. We have our to-do. And a shopping list. But now I see appointment stickers, but I don't need them right now. I need a to-do. Not a to-do. A shopping list. Do I not have any more? Here we go. And then on the back, I see something else I want to add. Which is pencil in. And I'm going to put that right here. And we got that done. And now we need to put our coffee sticker. I used to drink on Mondays. I drink it every day, but mostly Mondays. Sometimes I forget to drink coffee in the morning. And there's no birthdays that I know of. Let's put it that way. And then I want to decorate a little with some of these little, tiny little stickers here. And put one here. This one in the middle here. I didn't see them until now. That one there. I didn't know they would come off. That's what I meant. Oops, that one didn't come off. I think that looks cute, don't you? A few more. And then we'll call it done. I'm not going to decorate every page like that. That'll take too long to do. I like decorating my pages, but I try not to overdo it. Okay, anything else we need here? Ooh, I see another coffee one. A mocha. A cup of mocha. Okay, I'm going to call this one done. Ooh. I see this, which says plans. I want to put that on the back. And put that right there. Cool beans. Okay. I'm going to call this one done before I really get into decorating the whole thing. So I want to say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe down below. And subscribe. And hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload a video, when I do a premiere, or when I go live. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy planning on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And see y'all next time. Bye-bye for now.